Hello student, today we are going to learn number 1 definition of cutting fluid, number 2 purposes and function of cutting fluids, number 3 properties of cutting fluids, number 4 names of some cutting fluids, number 5 cutting fluids recommended for machining operation. Okay, first, what is cutting fluid? Cutting fluid is used in machining or cutting operation for helping the efficient performance and also increases tool life. Cutting fluid is a fantastic solution generally applied while machining or cutting and increasing the life of tool, reducing workpiece thermal deformation, improving surface finish, and flushing away or washing away chips from cutting zone. Okay, cutting fluid is used either in liquid or gaseous form. Okay, sometimes a cutting fluid is also referred as coolant or lubricant, but it is wrong. It is not correct. A cutting fluid performs several functions. A cutting fluid performs several functions, and cooling and lubricating the tool and workpiece is just one of them. Cooling and lubricating the tool and workpiece is just one of them. Cutting fluid cool the workpiece and tool by carrying away the heat generated during machining. Purpose of coolant is same. Cutting fluid lubricating the tool and workpiece and reduce the coefficient of friction in between workpiece and tool. Purpose of lubricant is same. Okay, now what is the purposes or function of cutting fluids? Number 1, to cool the tool and workpiece, carrying away the heat generated during machining or cutting. Okay. Number 2, to lubricate at the friction zone and the tool life will be increases. It reduces the coefficient of friction in between work and tool. Okay. Number 3, to produce better surface finish to the workpiece. Okay. Number 4, to protect work against rusting. Okay. Number 5, to wash away the chips from the cutting zone. That help to prevent the tool from fouling. Okay. Number 6, to causes to bake the chips into small pieces. Okay. Number 7, to permit use of maximum cutting speed. Hence, the times for machining is reduced. Okay. Maximum cutting speed means reduce machining times. Okay. Number 8, to prevent the corrosion of chips and machine. Okay. Now, what is the properties of cutting fluid? What is the properties of cutting fluid? Number 1, high heat absorbing capacity during machining operation. It should have high specific heat, high heat conductivity and high heat transfer coefficient. Okay. Number 2, good lubricating quality to reduce frictional force and to reduce the power consumption. Lubrication of cutting tool reduce the coefficient of friction in between work and tools. That property will be reduce the energy or power consumption in metal removal. So, the wear on the tool is reduced and the tool life will be increases. Okay. Number 3, high flash point to eliminate the fire hazard. Flash point is the temperature at which sufficient vapor is formed which catches fire in presence of flame. Okay. Number 4, neutral so as not react chemically to avoid corrosion of tool and job. Okay. Number 5, should be odorless. That means it should not give bad smell at higher temperature or at any temperature. Okay. Number 6, low viscosity to permit free flow of liquid. Okay. Number 7, harmless to the skin of the operator. Okay. Number 8, cutting fluid must be transparent so that the cutting action of the tool will be observed. It is specially desirable in precision work. Okay. Number 9, should be cheaper and easily available. That means low price to minimize production cost. Okay. Now the name of some cutting fluid, types of different cutting fluid. Number 1, water. Water is a cutting fluid. Number 2, soluble oil. Number 3, straight oil. Number 4, straight mineral oil. Number 5, straight fatty oil. Number 6, mixed oil. Number 7, chemical additive oil. Number 8, inorganic chemical compound. These are the common name of cutting fluid. Okay. Now, what type of cutting fluid recommended for machining operation? Material to be cut, turning operation, and this is milling operation. For aluminum, in turning operation, we use mineral oil with 10% fat or soluble oil. Okay. For aluminum milling operation, use soluble oil, 96% water or mineral oil. Okay. Material for alloy steel to be cut. For turning, cutting fluid use 25% sulfur base oil with 75% mineral oil. Okay. For milling operation, 10% lard oil with 90% mineral oil. Material to be used, material to be cut, brass. For brass, in turning operation, mineral oil with 10% fat. For milling operation, soluble oil, 96% water. Okay. Material cutting steel and low carbon steel. Cutting fluid use in turning 25% lard oil with 75% mineral oil. For milling, soluble oil. Material to be cut, copper. For copper, for turning we use soluble oil. For milling we also use soluble oil. Monel metal, for turning we use soluble oil. For milling also soluble oil. For cast iron machining, for turning die, no cutting fluid. For milling, no cutting fluid. We can use water with some mineral oil. We can be used. For malleable iron, for turning we use soluble oil. For milling we use soluble oil. For bronze, for turning we use soluble oil. For milling we use soluble oil. Okay, it is clear, my student. In next tutorial we details discuss types of cutting fluid. Okay, thank you.